Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of one of our brand new units here in the showroom. It's a 2026 Prolite Mini with the Eco floor plan. So this is a 4-person camper. It is lightweight and designed for compact cars. Comes in under 1,095 pounds dry weight, but we do have some extra things added to it, such as this Moonshade awning you see, a spare tire, some steps, and some window covers. Now the Eco line is a simplified and stripped back version of Prolite's premium models. They want to save a little bit of money here, so they've taken away certain things not every camper needs. It saves you a little bit of weight and a little bit of money. It makes it easier for new campers to get into the Prolite lineup, or is even better for experienced campers who need less of the fixings and want more of the outdoors. Walking around the exterior here, the first thing I'll show off is that Moonshade awning. So instead of having a hard shell awning like you'll see on this Prolite Mini over here, you're going to have this Moonshade one, which will pop up, suction cup to the outside of your trailer and give you a little bit of cover from the sun or a little bit of cover from the rain if it's not too crazy of a storm. You're also going to have this power tongue jack here, manual tongue jack on the front, manual stabilizers, and a 20-pound propane tank. The Minis, as I've mentioned before, have a couple things stripped back. One of the big things that cost a lot and add a lot of weight are windows. So instead of, like you will see on that Mini over there, we have stripped back some of the windows on here. So you're not going to have this window here in the front. Walking around, you still get a couple of windows here. This is your emergency exit window on the rear here. The 2025s had a change to a higher ride height. That's going to stay with the 2026s, so less chances of bottoming out. Walking around here, you will have a small storage compartment. It's more of a access area for some things like your water pump and your battery, but you can still store some outdoor belongings and not mix that with the interior of the trailer. You've got your auxiliary shower there, and stepping onto the inside is really where you're going to see this floor plan shine. So it's hard to remember that this is for a compact car. It's lightweight, but you can still have all these features included in it. So you're going to have a 2-burner stovetop. You've got a nice little plastic tub here, another way which they're saving weight and money for the new Prolite users. You've got a sink, and you also have your electric fridge freezer combo. Now this trailer can fit 4 people, so you're going to have this dinette as one of your main areas. This is where you can sit down, play some board games, cards, have a coffee, have breakfast, but also is going to convert to an extra sleeping area. This dinette's going to drop down, these cushions will come over. Now that's going to be an extra spot to sleep 2 people. Flipping over to this side, you're going to have a couch here to lounge at in the rear. You've got your covers here that's covering your wheel wells, but also a perfect little spot to place down some drinks or extra things. Up above, you're going to have a storage compartment here. They have taken away the cabinet fronts. Another way just to save costs, and it's something that experienced campers and new campers don't necessarily need a cabinet front. So if it saves you money, saves you a little bit of weight, why not go with the cargo netting? If you do need another spot to sleep other than that dinette, this is going to easily convert to a bed. Just simply lifting this up and pulling it out. You can easily drop back these cushions as such, and now you've got an extra place to sleep. You also have this little area here. This is a tabletop, perfect for placing sunscreen, wallets, glasses. Easy to grab just from the outside of the trailer. And you've got some more storage with that same story of removed cabinet fronts. A little bit of more storage underneath here and access to plumbing if you need it. And overall, a great trailer. Lightweight, designed for campers for cars, so you don't need a truck, and you can still fit 4 people. If you want to see everything else this trailer has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Longhaul Trailers in Listowel.